Hi everybody, let's take a look at your Module 7 assignments. I think you'll find that a lot of them are very similar to what you just did last week, and hopefully that makes your life a little bit easier. The lab assignment first, you'll notice you don't have the example for the flashcards like you did in Module 6, but you can always go back to Module 6 and open that if you need to. Inside you'll see the normal looking assignment. What you need to do are these last two things. We're going to diagram and label all the bones of the lower extremity, so that includes the hip, everything down to the toes. Make sure you're including everything that you think is important. So articulations, all right, the part that fits together, or any of the bony prominences, especially if we use it in radiography. So we use the iliac crest a lot. We use some of those pointy out parts on your knees. So figure out what those are called. Make sure they are labeled appropriately. And then secondly, flashcards. 5 flashcards. Please only 5. You can do more if you want to study them at home, but please only turn in 5. That's all I need. And you can choose any 5 of the list that's given here. So toes, foot, ankle, and you can scroll through all this all the way up to femur. So anything that you want, whatever you think is going to be the best for you to study. All right, let's jump back to our lessons and take a look at the written assignment. Again, it'll look very similar. 1 to 2 pages, that's all. And we're going to discuss common positioning challenges of the lower extremity. So just like your upper extremity, except for your legs. Anything at all can be an example here. It could be as simple as a fracture or pain. Maybe it is a chronic muscle spasm that doesn't allow a patient to get on the table when you need them on the table, or maybe they can't stand when you need them to stand. Use your imagination here and think critically. What is going to happen in a clinic? Who could you come across? What type of patient that would be not as simple as just throwing your classmate's leg on the table like we've been doing? Think about a challenge, and then the second part is to include solutions. So make sure you have some way to solve the problem you just came up with. 1 to 2 pages, always use APA in your written assignments. And then lastly, let's take a look at that quiz. You have 10 points and 30 minutes again. I think you'll find that to be a nice breath of fresh air. So if you have any questions on anything Module 7 related, please let me know. Otherwise, we're getting towards the end of the quarter, and I hope that you're not feeling too stressed out by that. So hang in there. See you later.